Good morning. Here are the latest updates in Indian politics and sports as of 15th March 2025. Political news. Southern Indian states are expressing concerns over the impending delimitation process, which involves redrawing parliamentary constituencies based on the latest population census. The apprehension stems from the possibility that northern states, experiencing faster population growth, could gain more parliamentary seats, potentially diminishing the political influence of southern regions. This development has sparked debates about fair representation and the equitable distribution of power across India's diverse states. In international affairs, Indian Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar, during his visit to London, discussed the evolving global order. He suggested that the advantages of the traditional liberal rules-based system might be overstated and advocated for a reformed global architecture that aligns with contemporary realities. Highlighting India's emergence as the world's fifth-largest economy, Jaishankar emphasized the nation's commitment to a multipolar world and underscored the importance of pragmatic and nationalist foreign policies in navigating current global dynamics. Sports news. In cricket, India's spin bowling all-rounder, Axar Patel, has been appointed as the captain of the Delhi Capitals for the upcoming Indian Premier League (IPL) season. Joining the team in 2019, Patel has accumulated 967 runs and secured 62 wickets with an impressive economy rate of 7.09 across 82 matches. He assumes leadership following Rishabh Pant's transfer to the Lucknow Super Giants. Expressing gratitude, Patel acknowledged the team management's confidence in his leadership abilities. The Delhi Capitals are set to begin their IPL campaign on 24th March in Visakhapatnam against the Lucknow Super Giants. The International Masters League, IML, has kicked off in India, with legendary retired cricketers showcasing their skills. In the opening semi-final, India Masters defeated Australia Masters convincingly, securing a place in the final. The tournament, featuring teams from around the world, is being held across Navi Mumbai, Vadodara, and Raipur. Fans are reliving nostalgia as cricket icons return to the field in this exciting T20 competition. In women's cricket, Jemimah Rodrigues has credited Meg Lanning's leadership for guiding the Delhi Capitals to their third consecutive Women's Premier League (WPL) final. Despite previous final appearances without securing a title, the team remains optimistic under Lanning's captaincy. The Capitals await their opponents, to be determined after the eliminator match between the Mumbai Indians and Gujarat Giants. Bye. On the international front, England's fast bowler Mark Wood is expected to miss the upcoming Test series against India due to knee surgery. The procedure is anticipated to sideline him for approximately 4 months, impacting England's bowling lineup for the series. That's all for today. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel for future updates, and have a wonderful day ahead.